Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring the Pixel 7 has enough charge and isn't in battery saver. Always on display is restricted there. Once done, unlock the phone and go to the Settings app. Tap Display to reach the screen options where the feature lives. This step moves you directly into the menu that controls screen behavior, so don't navigate elsewhere. Staying in display saves time. Now that you're in display, prepare to locate Lock Screen Settings for the Always on Display toggle. Now tap Lock Screen under Display. This is where Always on Display resides. Scroll to find Always Show Time and Info and flip the toggle to On. That activates the feature. Make sure to choose a clock style or extra info options if you want notifications or a minimal clock. Those settings control what stays visible. Once configured, the phone will display selected info while the screen is off. If you prefer, adjust brightness and timeout to balance visibility and battery. Finish by locking the phone and checking the ambient display. You should see the chosen clock and info. If you don't, make sure battery saver and adaptive battery settings aren't blocking background display. Turn them off temporarily to test. Also verify Do Not Disturb isn't suppressing notifications shown on the AOD. If the toggle won't stick or the screen won't show, restart the Pixel 7. A quick reboot often resolves settings application glitches and restores always-on functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.